road, Farman's family road trip.
All right, the RV's ready. We're ready to go. Time for another Road Ready Campground review. Today we're coming from Sawmill Point Recreation Site. We're in British Columbia off of the Cassiar Highway. It's about, I want to say 80 miles south of the Alaskan Highway down the Cassiar. We're on this beautiful lake. It doesn't look so beautiful right now because the smoke from a nearby forest fire is rolling in. But yesterday when we came in, it was clear. The wind was blowing. It's awesome. The lake is crystal clear. This is a provincial park, state-ran park. I don't know what technically you would call it. It is free. There are 10 sites. In the park, there are trash bins and pit toilets, and then each site has a picnic table and a fire ring. So, very basic, zero cell phone coverage. We have had zero cell phone coverage since we left Teslin, which was 100 miles west on the Alaskan Highway.
Several of the spots are right on the water. While we were here, there were not mosquitoes if you were in the spots on the water. If you go up the hill, it is a pretty steep hill getting down here, and it's gravel. There are some camp spots up the hill. There are a lot of bugs up there.
Yeah, definitely. Great spot. Glad we stopped. We are going to move on today, especially since the smoke is rolling in. There's no reason to stay and be smoked out all day. So we are going to continue to head south. Another benefit to this site with us last night was the stars were out and the northern lights. We were able to get a glimpse of them finally after several months up in the northern country. So it was a great stay, great night, and we're going to head out.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.